If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Bitcoin, for me personally, I think it's time to move to $27,000. It has been a confusing time, I know, and we've talked about this bear flag, and we had the opportunity. I told you that, put a stop loss at 21333. If you start to come below this level, then it's going to be bad, and it's going to be worse if you do come down here. Now, fortunately, though, not unfortunately, but fortunately, I do think it's time for Bitcoin to make it all the way up to $27,000. So this is my technical target. Because it does seem like the D wave actually has been cleared out. So if I do actually bring in this pattern right now, Bitcoin is looking amazing. It's really, really, really awesome right now to even continue to the upside. So you are breaking out of this particular resistance and backtesting it as well. So you have resistance number 1, number 2 came out, and you can see you're really backtesting things. The best part about it is that you're also holding the 0.618, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so this is really, really good. I do think they went for the retest, and this bet formation looks like it's now perfect to me, because you can see you are above the 0.618 once again. So game on. We're back into the track. There's no any down targets. It's just that one small candle, one candle within some few hours can make the whole difference, and one candle in few hours can make another big difference. Now this is the place where you have to keep in mind that this is, if you do come down here, and okay, finally you're going to say you don't have any business coming down here, by the way. That's what I'm trying to say. So for me personally, the only thing that makes sense is a pattern of a bat. So A, X, A, B, this is the C, and that's the final D leg. I do think that's the end of it. So basically the good thing about it is that Bitcoin is basically looking to come up to 24,000, even to 25,000, and then potentially move all the way up to this blue line that I'm giving you right now, which is 27,000, which has been the technical target for Bitcoin out of a bull flag as well. So we're still pretty much in a very, very good safe situation right now, and that's pretty much it for this update. Just no blubbering, no nothing stuff. Pretty amazing pattern. Take it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.